Ngayon ay mag-i-interview tayo na magka-gym body. Anong pangalan mo?
Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Berel JFM, SMC 180.
Ano na magiging geng-geng? How did you cover this type of activity?
I came up with this type of activity because I want to have a good self-esteem, a higher self-esteem, or a higher self-confidence. This type of activity motivates me because it feels good when you do it.
Question: what is the most challenging part as a gym instructor or a muscle?
The hardest part as a muscle builder is the pain you feel. The pain you feel when doing the activities.
Question number 3. What are your personal fitness goals?
My personal fitness goals is, ay nagaya ng sinabi ko nung una, is to boost my self-confidence and self-esteem. Tapos, syempre magkaroon din ng magandang katawan.
What are the problems you have encountered before, during, and after the activity?
Before activity, ayun, yung isang problema na na-encounter ko is yung lack of knowledge, ayan, sa paggawa ng mga activity. Tapos during activity naman is yung katamaran, kasi habang nag-gym ka, minsan tinatamad ka gumawa ng mga sets. Then after yung activity naman, nung nagawa ko na, is yung pain, yung mga nararanasan mong sakit habang nagbubuhat ka or pagtapos ng activity na ginawa.
How did you balance between foods, career, and your activity?
To be honest, it's hard to balance your food, career and activity. I do gym during only on my free time. Tapos, mostly kasi, kumakain kasi ako ng marami, nagda-dirty bulk ako, kaya, ayun, binabalance ko lang talaga. Yung pag-balance ko lang dun is sa time ko lang. Tapos yung mga activity ko, yun yung pina-prioritize ko. So kung wala akong time mag-gym or kumain, magtatrabaho talaga ako.
When you feel pain or discomfort, how did you manage these problems?
I manage pain and discomfort. Nire-rest ko lang siya, pinapahinga ko lang. Kung kailangan mag-break ng ilang days or a week or a month, ipapahinga ko talaga siya para mas maganda yung pag-gym ko.
How did your current weight affecting your life now?
Yung current weight ko ngayon medyo, from the past weeks, medyo gumaan ako ng konti. Kaya sa totoo lang, I feel happy doon kahit maliit yung changes. Masaya pa rin ako kasi progress pa rin yun para sa akin.
How do you determine the best training program for you or for everybody of us?
So, nade-determine ko yung best training program ko by having knowledge, by studying kung anong gagawin mo talaga. Then after mo mag-study or after acquiring knowledge sa internet, ganyan, itatry mo na siya, i-risk mo na siya, susubukan mo na siya. Kasi kung mali yung ginawa mo, at least nasubukan mo siya, pwede mo na siyang itama sa susunod na paggawa mo ulit.
What are the strengths and weaknesses of a gym instructor or muscle builder in the activity like it?
Bilang isang muscle builder, yung isa sa mga strengths ko is yung knowledge dahil ma-experience na ako ng mga ilang years. And yung isa sa mga weakness ko naman sa akin is yung katamaran ko kasi madalas tinatamad talaga ako kapag nag-gym ako.
What are the best advice or tips you can give to those who want to try this kind of activity?
Ang advice ko sa mga mag-gym or magsisimula pa lang is have patience. Yan. Kasi kapag mataas yung pasensya mo, mas matagal kang makakapag-gym at mas marami kang madadaan sa buwan. Batuhin kita.
And what motivates you?
Sa totoo lang.
Go.
Akin mo na yan.